Now we will go over extracting the columns in our data frame and turning them into numpy arrays. First, let us get rid of the print statement we added in the last video. Now, in order to put our data into Plotly, it cannot be a data frame. We only used a data frame to easily filter our data and take out the columns we didn't want. Plotly only supports using numpy arrays or lists, so we have to convert each of the columns we would like to plot into its own array. Luckily, Pandas comes with functionality to easily convert to a numpy array. So let's create an array of names. This will be inside our data frame. We are referencing the institution name column, and to convert, we just tack on a dot values, and Pandas automatically handles that conversion for you. Now, we can do the same thing with our SAT average column. Now repeat again for our salary column. And finally, we can repeat it for our percentage white column. Now that we have arrays we want to plot, in the next video we will begin setting up our plot.